What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have another install video. This one is, how do I say this?
What kind of Flowmaster you got? The Super 10?
Outlaw?
Flowmaster Outlaw. Oh, the Outlaw. The Outlaw. So we can run it like the way we want it. We can put on the two outlets right here and run the pipe under the frame and the way you want it. Put them up. I thought it was a big body, but the Outlaws, yeah, we got room for the Outlaws.
Okay. Cool.
Sick.
Let's get the big ones.
We're not going to be able to do X pipe because it's going to be left and right.
Yeah, that's fine. As long as...
You don't need a lot of back pressure in your trucking.
Oh no, I don't. Yeah, I was already choking it up the way it's set up. Yeah.
On the head, you guys want V-bank clamps or welded together? V-banks. V-banks, yeah. So that way you guys can take it off, service, put back on. So these two V-banks here, and everything 3-inch, right?
Yeah, 3-inch.
Alright, so I'm gonna pick out a tip right now. Josh's gonna kind of figure that out, but looks like we're doing 2 Flowmasters, and you're gonna see the rest of the video right now. So.
Okay.
See, the Outlaw is going to be somewhere over here,
Okay.
and then the pipe.
We can burn out right here, we'll move the parts and shit, we can burn out right there.
How big can I do it?
Whatever.
Okay.
We'll make this building disappear.
We'll make it disappear. We'll change the weather from like sunny to cloudy. We don't play, bro.
No, I know. That's what I'm saying. That's how we asked for permission. What can we do?
Yeah, tell him right now. Like, he already gave me the green light, but still, just tell him. I want to see what he says. So I can record that fucking little interaction, you know?
You wanna go do it?
We'll go first gear or second gear? Because first gear is like 60, second gear is like 100 and something. Mile per hour burnout.
You'll start breathing the second gear.
Is that okay?
We'll go from sunny to cloudy. Tell them we don't play.
Oh, you're on live. Who are we talking to?
Church of Velas.
Nice.
All your engine needs, hit me up. I'll get you squared away. I'm on though.
No, fue la misma en el exhaust.
Looks good to me. Yeah, Team MP.
Kick it off.
What the fuck?
What's this video?
Oh, what happened? Still on fire? Woo!
It's out. Yeah.
Got it
What you
all.
wanted, right?
Oh yeah. That shit's clean. Damn. Damn. That's crazy.
Just post that video all by itself, right?
Shout out to MSD.
Why do you trust this smoked out?
Hey, what'd you use for that firecracker noise? What was that?
Two-step.
Oh yeah, who sells that?
Two-step.
Oh yeah?
Hey, this one's next, bro.
Oh, okay, sweet.
Some big ass fireballs coming out of this too.
What happened? God damn. Feels like we're smoking over here. Great.
Hey guys, so on the Chevy Silverado right here, we did the Flowmaster Outlaws. We did 3-inch piping. We did the tips and everything, side exits, real do exhaust. Anything you guys need, hit me up. Team MP, Mike Jr., thank you.
Alright guys, so that does it for this install. We did the Flowmasters, the Outlaws, and it's the Church of LS, Iron LS3. If you need any installations, if you're in LA, come to Team MPE. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got Junior in the back. So, alright guys, any questions, leave them in the comment section or description, and we'll get back to you.